We have a question. We are excited. We have a question from somebody that needs help in financial maths. So without wasting any time, this question should take at least about 4 minutes. So we've wasted about 20 seconds so far. So the question she wanted us to tackle was basically, now in financial maths, whenever you read through information, you should highlight. So 12,000 was invested. So apparently this is 12,000. It's a single amount. As you can tell, 12,000. It's a P. It was invested in a fund that paid interest at I, right? So per annum, compounded quarterly. So this is your K. And this was after 24 months. This is your T. 24 months, we can always say 24 divided by 12. So this is equals to 2 years. And quarter is 12 divided by 3, which is equals to 4. So now we have that. The value of the investment was 13,000. So we have A. We've been given an A as well. So this is our A. And then determine the value of M. Now we know, we've been told that this is compounded quarterly. So it's not simple interest. It is your compound interest. So we need a compound interest formula. So in 4 minutes, hopefully we'll be done. So A is equals to P1 plus I over K. And this is all over TM, right? So once we have that in check, we know the points. A is 13,459. And P is 12,000. Now I'll be doing this without the use of a calculator. So at the end of the question, everybody should have their calculators ready, so that they can find the actual solution. I won't be punching in the numbers. So 1 plus. Now I is what we are looking for. Determine the value of M. So I is what we are looking for. M, which is I over K. K is what? 4, according to what we've actually worked out there on top. So now we have an issue with TM. T is equals to 2. So 2 times 4 is 8. As we move on, we know that, okay, we must isolate this I here. So we need to isolate the I. Firstly, we can divide the coefficient on both sides. Divide by 12. This cancels that. And here we are remaining with that 13,459 over 12,000. And now we have that bracket I plus. So bracket 1 plus I over 4 to the power of 8. To get rid of the 8, because now that's the only challenge. We need to loosen this up. So how do you loosen that up? So if you have an exponent, you need to ensure that you eliminate it by creating an inverse for it. So 8 times 1 is 8. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. So that's how you eliminate it. And what you do on the left, you must also do on the right. That's how maths works. You can manipulate anything so long as you do it on both sides, right, of the equation. So once you are at this point, you do know that you need to rewrite this part. 13,459 divided by 12,000. We are already over 4 minutes, which is worrying. So this question should be done with a bit of pace because it's only 4 marks. So now we'll be left with 1 plus I over 4. And we need to transpose then from this point, transpose the 1 to the other side. And if we do that, we will write our 13,459 over 12,000. This is 12,000, right? 12,000 to the power of 1 over 8 equals to, rather, minus 1. So I'm transposing the 1. Minus 1 equals to 1 over 4. Not 1, I over 4. So I'm trying to rush through this because of the time constraints. Now once you're at this point, you simply cross multiply, right? Once you've resolved this, you can simply cross multiply 4 times this side. So I'm going to rewrite the entire side for you, which is 1. Already on 6 minutes, and that's not good. 13,459 over 12,000. The reason we are above our limit is because, so we'll multiply this by 4, and if we're going to multiply by 4, we need another bracket, minus 1. So you need to solve inside the bracket first, and then minus 1 times 4. Then you should get your I. So I will therefore be equals to everything you're going to be getting from this point of view. So this is how you do it. So now I see the time is already going to 7 minutes. But the reason that is the case is because we've been explaining and speaking. If you were writing straight up, it should be 4 minutes or even less. But hopefully you understood the problem, and you are ready to tackle this type of problems in your exam. Thank you for watching.